Hello again everyone, this is Tim Beal for Notebooks.com and I'm back today with another Mac video tutorial. Today's topic is how to create encrypted disk images in macOS. Now a disk image is similar to an external hard drive in the sense that it creates a digital hard drive on your computer, but the disk image is the uncompressed version of a hard drive. Now, creating an encrypted disk image essentially means we're carving out a little bit of free space on the hard drive for whatever task you would like to. So if it's a simple document backup or another type of encrypted file, you can easily create that by using the disk utility application. Going to the File menu and then selecting New Blank Image will allow you to start filling out the information about your upcoming disk image, including the name, the size, the format, and more importantly, the encryption type. There are two different types of encryption offered by Disk Utility, and they're both password protected, 128 and 256-bit encryption. And the 128 will be a quicker load and it will just quickly load with a password authentication, yet the 256 will take a little bit longer for it to actually pull up the information. Once you're satisfied with the encryption type, go ahead and input a password that you can easily remember and that will be secure and preferably different from your admin password. And then you should be able to start creating the disk image, which should only take a couple of moments depending on the size that you've designated. When it's complete, you should see a successful green check mark within Disk Utility, and you should also see your newfound disk image in the left-hand side of the Disk Utility sidebar. You'll notice that it appears similarly to an external hard drive, and as I mentioned, it's essentially a digital version of an external hard drive. With this disk image mounted and loaded in a Finder window, you can start dragging and dropping files you'd like to encrypt within this backup. Once you're satisfied with your documents and where they are on the Disk Utility image that you created, you can go ahead and eject it just like you would a normal hard drive to remove the mounted image from the desktop. Think of this as spinning the safe dial and securing it locked at this point, because if you need to open the DMG file again, you're going to have to double click from the Finder wherever you've stored it and then authenticate with the password that you designated during the setup in Disk Utility. Again, it's recommended to use a different password than your login or admin password just to keep things completely secure on this end. This is an excellent way to create a document backup for things like legal files or very important photos, and I hope you found this helpful in securely backing up your files. Take care.